Welcome to our guide on enabling the Family Center on Discord for PC after the new update. If you want to create a safer environment for your family while using this popular platform, you're in the right place. Let's dive in. First, open Discord on your PC. You can find the application in your taskbar or by searching through your programs. Once you're in, you're one step closer to setting up Family Center. Next, look for the gear icon, also known as the settings icon, located at the bottom left corner of the Discord window. Click on it to access your user settings. Once you're in the user settings menu, scroll down the list on the left side until you see Family Center. Click on that option. This section is designed specifically to help you manage family interactions and ensure a safer Discord experience. Now it's time to enable the Family Center tab. You'll see an option to turn it on. Simply click the toggle switch to activate Family Center. This feature allows you to set personalized settings based on your family's needs, such as managing friend requests, blocking inappropriate content, and more. And that's it. You've successfully enabled Family Center on Discord. With this feature active, you'll have better control over your family's interaction within the platform, making it a more enjoyable and safer space for everyone. Don't forget to explore the different settings available under Family Center to tailor the experience to your family's needs. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your time on Discord.